Welcome to the Laniakea painting workshop, where we're in Hawaii painting this beautiful beach scene. Hi, I'm Richard Robinson. In this lesson I'm going to show you how I personally deal with this beautiful beach scene which has rich color and contrast. I'll be trying to create a unified whole with special emphasis on creating richly colored shadows. I'll also reveal my latest technique to create more dynamic brushwork in your painting. Learn by comparing your work with other students' work and by reading my personal critiques. This is a great way to improve your painting quickly. You'll find that my method of painting is very fast and fluid, but the way I teach is nice and slow. So you'll find it a joy to paint quickly and confidently, following this lesson step by step, just like thousands of my students are all over the world. So happy painting, let's get started.